Hi, welcome back to Aesthetics Academy. And today we're going to discuss a problem from CENGAGE for JEE Mains third edition. And this is from complex numbers and it's question number 70. So here, as you can see, you have the values of x, y, z, and you're supposed to prove this. But before we get on to proving this, we should first know that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is actually equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus y is z minus x is z. So this is more like a cube plus b cube form, but yeah, so you have to understand this. So now when we have this, first of all we have to find x y z, right, and x plus y plus z. So let's try finding x plus y plus z. So you get a plus b plus a omega plus b omega square plus a omega square plus b omega. And if I take out a here, I'll have 1 plus omega square from these three terms. And if I take b out, I'll have 1 plus omega squared plus omega. And I know from the previous videos that 1 plus omega square is equal to 0 for the cube root of unity when omega is a cube root. So now I can say that x plus y plus z is just 0 plus 0, which is 0. And what happens when x plus y plus z is 0? As you can see, this term x plus y plus z is multiplied to this. So if x plus y plus z becomes 0, this entire thing becomes 0. So you can say x cube plus y cube plus z cube equals just 3xyz, right? Are you all with me on this? Yes. So now it's our task to prove that 3xyz is equal to 3 into a cube plus b cube. So let's just take that. So we have xyz is equal to a plus b into a omega plus b omega square into a omega square plus b omega, right? So now it's just multiplication. So what you can do is just multiply binomial terms. I'm going to go with these two first. If you're confident about binomial multiplication, you can go ahead and try this on your own. You can pause the video. Yes, congratulations if you have done that. And those who want to just see how the problem goes, you just have to do the method that we generally use. So a omega into a omega square gives a squared omega cube. A omega into b omega gives you a b omega square. B omega squared into a omega squared gives you a b omega power 4. And finally you have b squared omega cube. Alright, we'll just try to simplify before we multiply again. Omega cube is 1, so this becomes a square. And here you have just ab into omega square. And omega cube is actually, omega power 4 is actually omega, right? Because it's omega cube into omega. Plus b squared and nothing but 1, because omega cube is 1. So you have a plus b into a squared. What is omega squared plus omega? We know 1 plus omega squared is 0, like we discussed. So omega squared plus omega will just be minus 1. So this will be minus ab plus b squared. And does this resemble anything? This is a formula for a cube plus b cube, right? So 3xyz then is equal to 3 into a cube plus b cube, and hence we have proved. So if they just ask you for the value, you can just say it's 3 into a cube plus b cube. All right, so that's it for this problem. If you have any doubts, you can mention it in the comment section. Tell me if you're able to multiply it using the binomial multiplication method. So looking forward to your suggestions as well. See you during the next problem. Bye bye.